Ginger's story is full of kindness. In today's story, Ginger finds someone very small who needs help.
Let's see how one rainy day becomes a sweet kindness story. The rain came so suddenly and Ginger's little park day changed.
But Ginger was careful. He stayed close to Mama because rainy weather can be tricky. A little bird fallen from its nest must be so scared.
Ginger did not just think about his umbrella anymore. He noticed that someone smaller than him needed help.
When animals are hurt or cold, we should be gentle and calm.
Yes, we should not scare them. We can keep them warm, safe, and ask a grown-up for help. The little bird looks much better now.
Mama and Ginger's gentle care helped it feel safe and strong again.
Bye.
Ginger learned that helping also means letting someone go when they are okay.
Saying goodbye can feel a little hard, but this goodbye was full of love.
The birds came back with cherries, like a sweet thank you for Ginger.
But the real gift was not the cherries, it was the lesson Ginger learned.
And he learned that kindness should be given with a clean heart.
Even small hands and small hearts can do big kind things.
And when we help someone, we make the world a little softer and happier.
Ginger showed us that love is not only in words, it is also in caring actions.
That is Ginger's lessons for today. Be gentle, be caring, and always choose kindness.
Bye everyone! See you in Ginger's next week adventure!